Hello everybody. Oh, let me just turn this music down this way. How do I do this? Hold on. Welcome everyone. I'm going to keep some little festive music going on in the background. And it can just be nice and chill. How's that? Do people see me okay? Can people hear me okay? This is a very temporary setup. I have no internet in the new place, so I've had to take my laptop and stream off of the laptop today and yeah, grab another screen and stuff. But we had to, oh my god, I didn't realize that was there. We had to do a stream today. I did promise it. It had to be done. So we shall get the Christmas stream. We do have the Christmas stream. That is happening. And yeah, I'm very glad that we can do this. So how is everybody doing? Who do we have in here? We've got May Sound, Christopher Hall, Lot M Crypto, MP, Joe, Dave, Matt, Erox, Danny, Christopher I've already said, Elias, Mr. Fry, Melly. So yeah, if everyone can just let me know, just before we do too much, if you can hear me okay and if the stream is all working okay, because this is like all over the place. My setup is very much yeah. Alex, you're saying that is the stream okay? Working fine. Okay, it's working fine for people. That's good. All good. All right, cool. So what we will do today, we will do some TA stuff as always. We'll just run over some charts because I haven't been doing that enough recently anyway. There's not been very much happening, to be honest, but it's been quite nice. I haven't been so much able to trade recently, but yeah, the market's nice and quiet. So it's been good. We'll do a bit of TA. If anyone wants me to do any charting and stuff like that, we will do that. We are going to do some giveaways. So for the crew, we are going to give away a couple of ExoCharts memberships. And we may do a quiz. I have made a quiz. But the last time we tried a quiz, the quiz bot didn't work. So we'll see how that goes. But we'll get P on the stream. I think we're going to get a couple of other people on the stream as well. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, it's been a bit of a mad rush to try and get this stream working for you guys, to find somewhere where I can actually have a reliable internet connection to do that. The reindeer has lights in the nose. Yes. Can you... I should turn this light off and then everyone can see. Will it be more like, look, if I do this? There we go. Look at that. You can see the flashy lights. And we've got the snow falling in the background. It's very nice. Anyway, let's start here with Bitcoin. Let's do a little bit of TA. To begin with, we'll do some TA, we'll take a look at the charts, and then we will continue on with the show. So the last trade that really I was looking for was the move up here into take the liquidity like above these highs to get into that weekly level. Now we just missed that out basically, which is kind of annoying, but I was looking for, look, this is what we were looking for the other day. We were looking for price to come down, take the lows, get that push up, take out the highs, and then to move back down to the bottom of the range. So we have seen this play out. Because I didn't have the internet yesterday, I wasn't actually able to get into that short, but I have taken a long today. This is probably the last trade I'm going to do before Christmas. I have taken a long. So this was just off of the drop that we had earlier on this afternoon, because what we did, we just came through and we filled in the single prints down here. So as we had that impulse up within this kind of being back within the range, I was looking for entries down here, and I was able to get into a long position around about 16,600. So I'm in a long. We'll see how it goes. I'm still short from higher, so I'm still short from like when price was up here, but now just, yeah, a little bit of a long trade for now. Is the mouse cursor not showing? That is weird, isn't it? I wonder why that is. Is this to do with the new EXO? Does it not show the cursor on here, or is it just on my screen? That is strange. I don't know. I don't know. Click on this. Capture cursor. Yeah, I want it to capture the cursor. But it's not capturing the cursor. Bleh. Oh well. It's all good. At least we've got the crosshair thing on this, okay? So that's the trade I'm in. So I'm in a long. We'll see how this goes. I'm so like out of flow for trading at the moment. It's kind of crazy, but we'll do a bit more TA. So what do people want to look at? I'm just going to leave this to you guys, and in about, let's say 10-15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, we will do the giveaways and we'll do the quiz. And we might bring a few special guests onto the stream. So yeah, we'll start off with Bitcoin. Give some trades. I'm just going to do a bit of TA because I haven't had a chance to do that today so much. My BTC pathway. Okay, let's have a look. So this is our little range, which looks surprisingly like the bigger range that we've got going on here. So this whole range is playing out fairly well. There's still a lot to be traded within this. I am still looking for, I think overall, I would like to see the lows taken down here. I think because we got that move down, we came and took the lows, we had that rotation back up towards the highs. I do still feel that we're getting it lower, and as we're going into Christmas, it does feel like a good opportunity for that to happen. So I'm not really looking at, yes, I've taken the long today, but it's because I've been short from up in these highs. I don't really see a scenario where we considerably push up over the festive period going into the new year. It would make more sense to me to see a bit more downside. And the fact that we have come into those highs that we were looking at the other day, we've got that rejection back down. We're not really being able to get back above this POC. I would still favor a move to the downside. Now, there are a couple of levels of support below. So if we do go below 16K, there is this zone here where, again, we've got some inefficiencies within the chart down here. There is another daily level that we can tap into down there, so we could be looking at a move back down to the lows, and then maybe we get a bounce after that. If we are to look for a bounce up towards the highs of the range, we kind of have had that already. I'd be looking at like the order blocks that we've got here, so then you're looking at that 17,600 as being a really nice opportunity for shorts. When we do take the fibs from this, then you can see our golden pocket lining up here. So if we're looking from our high to our low, if we can get a move up to around about 17,600, then that could give you that move back down that you could see going to the reciprocal levels that you'd like to find from this, as like a continuation of this with like an ABCD coming in, and then that can take us back down towards about 15K. That to me just feels more likely that we are going to get further downside. We are going to put in another low before we get a bounce. But the longer we stay here at support, I guess the better opportunity we do have to start to push up from here. So yeah, that's my plan on Bitcoin's been like the same for ages. And I do feel like I'm a little bit like out of touch with the charts just because of everything that's been going on at the moment. But when I actually look at things again, it's basically the same as that update that I did a couple of days ago. That's still the main thing that I'm looking at. So yeah, maybe a move up to 17,600. That would be fairly good. But then I'd be looking for other short positions if that happens before Christmas, or if I'm able to get into that kind of trade. So you'd be looking at something along these lines. Where the invalidation would come from this, I'm not really sure. But then to take out the lows, right? Guess you could have invalidation up at the highs. That's that kind of thing. As a larger trade. And then for the long at the moment, I'm not expecting much. I'm not expecting much from a long. How's the music in the background as well? Is it nice and festive, or is it just really annoying? Yeah, I mean, there's not really much to trade here, is there? Yeah. It's a little bit loud. Okay. Let's turn that down. A bit better? They front ran the local golden pocket on the BTC USD pair. Yes, so if we do look at from low to high here, like ideally, yeah, we'd be looking a little bit lower, because that does take you down. If you're looking at when we had this downtrend, right? You got that break of market structure taking out these highs. You've finding this retrace here. The 618 is coming in soon, but it is a front run at the moment. You'd also be looking back at your reference, so the last low before the one that was the one that subsequently came from that, and then you got the change to come back into that. So if we can get a move into like 16,520, once again that starts to look pretty decent, and that takes you back down to the lows of this range that we had before. So when we had that just quick crash below and got the bounce off of that, so maybe we can get a bounce up to like here just to fill this in. Then we come and take the lows, and then we could be looking at a bit more of a move back up to the upside. I'd still love to see these highs taken, but I can hear the music in the background, and it's like Silent night. It's way too chilled. Doesn't look like a move of strength though. No, it doesn't. What else do I... Okay, I've got my TPO on here. Let's move that down to this, and let's go on to this. Oh, so I'm on my laptop, yeah. I don't have any of my favorites saved or anything. I'm not actually... I'm looking for BTC. There we go. BTC USDT. You drinking eggnog? No, I'm not. I'm actually drinking. I'm drinking a Gordon's Pink Gin and Tonic. I needed to get something. I didn't really want a beer. So I got like some of those weird mixer things. So I had like a JD and Coke. I'm feeling really tired today, and I have been all week again. It's been a bit mad. Then I'll have a beer in a bit. Once I feel like I would like to drink a beer. Double distribution day. It is. It is. Does Luna have a reindeer costume too? She does. Should I dress the dogs up? Oh my god, this is a really old one. Do I have like... I don't have any of my normal XO set up on the laptop. It's really annoying. So we're just going to work with TradingView today. And a TPO chart, because they're the templates that I have loaded up. I'm not going to go into the Cruise server and try and load up the Scalpy templates and stuff for this. Can you talk about the relationship between spot and perps in driving price? Yeah, if I can get up, let's try and load up AgriTrade and see what this gives us. Do I have... Again, I might not be able to do this. Yes, we can. So I think essentially what we're really looking at... How do I answer that? Can you talk about the relationship between spot and perps in driving price? I'm trying to think of an answer. Is the stream a little bit laggy, P? It might be like, yeah. Let me just have a look at that. Whoa, okay, hello. That's a big move. That's to take profit on my long. Nice. Because I only wanted it to come up to here. Let me just see if I can sort out the stream lag. And maybe I just take this off. Just trying to free up some... Hello. What's ETH doing? Whoa! Okay. Look, hey, look at this! Oh, nice. Okay. Hello, we've got some action on the stream. Ethereum's actually... This is where I wanted to short it. It never hit the daily level. We're actually having something that I can talk about because this is what we wanted. So, I'm looking to short ETH here, to be honest. Why are we pumping? What is going on? Nice. I'm not going to take a trade, but... Yeah. Well, this is what we wanted to see on ETH, initially anyway. So... Anyway, is the stream better since I've taken off the snow? Or are we still laggy? We got some traps short and buying imbalances. Okay. So this is coming back up to London. What time is it? So we're almost at the close for New York, and we're looking to take out... So London highs. It's much better. That damn snow! Oh, that's a shame. I try and do like nice things for the stream, but we don't need the snow in the background. So if that has helped things, then that is good. So I mean, on Bitcoin, really, like, because ETH's taken out those highs, and that's what I wanted to see originally. If Bitcoin can get another little push out just to take out those London highs, there could be a short on. That's equal highs, isn't it, on the USD pair? So on inverse, we've got perfect, like, equal highs here. Maybe I'll turn the music off as well, because the music's stupid. I'm turning the music off. That's going to save some processing power on my laptop as well. VWAPs. Okay. I'll put this back on. Whoa. That's the wrong button. There we go. S&P SPX bounce from the weekly. We do have that gap down there as well. Let's have a look at the SPX. Is this... Oh my god, yeah, it did. Yeah, it did, didn't it? Wow. Yeah. Cool. So we can remove that. This is what we did on Tuesday. And then if these are your VWAPs coming down, you got the week and the daily session VWAP coming in together. Good. That's quite nice from the S&P, right? So you filled the majority of the gap that we had down there. Like, you're just looking at that final half hour, like the actual close that you got back in November there. So you've had the partial fill. It's done most of it. You had the weekly level to get a decent bounce. And actually, when you're looking at the whole kind of inefficiency that we have within here, you just pull that across and it's exactly the same, isn't it? So those imbalances, the inefficiencies that we got there are exactly the same as the weekly level. So it is the weekly level, and that is, again, we're getting a pretty decent bounce off of that, so that is good to see. Nasdaq's not so much, so it is just the SPX, isn't it? What's happening to the DXY? Are we getting a pullback off of there? So we're still around that 2017 high, just coiling in a bit. I still want to see one more push down on the DXY before we get a bit of a mega bounce. So, like, realistically, what I'd like to see is price move down here into 102.5, 103, and then we can look to come back up to 108, 110, which is going to be kind of bad for the rest of the markets, but it would make sense to me. So let's say if we get a move down to 102.5 on the DXY over the next few days or so, then Q1 2023 is bear, like really bearish. That's the main thing I'm looking at the moment, I would say. So yeah, ideally you just want to, and that's going to cause a little bit of pain for the rest of the markets. So if that does that, if the DXY does that, you could be looking at a bounce here, and then I guess essentially you're expecting more lows on the S&P and I guess on Bitcoin as well. Okay. Well, yeah, it was just a little pump. I don't really think that was much. Like, if Bitcoin can come out and take these highs, then that would be good, because it never really took the liquidity above here, like on anything. So it's just left behind all of this and basically front run. It keeps front running everything. Like, it front ran my shorts from here. It's front running the golden pocket here and the levels that you want to see price coming into. So at the moment, like, this is consistent, and we were getting it up here as well, that we're just continuously front running things. I think because we're just seeing a lack of volume, a lack of liquidity there, is that when people start to take profit off of stuff, but when price is coming into an area, there's just not a lot of trading going on, so it's quite difficult to push through stuff often. If there's just limit orders sat there, it just stops it and whatever. Anyway, let me go back to this. So this was the spot perps question, wasn't it? So for example, spot declining, perp spiking, but do both need to be aligned for sustained price action? Is one a leading indicator? So I think perps really are what run the market. If you're looking at, so spot will do a lot, I think, during the bull markets, and when there's a lot of participants, I think the spot market becomes quite important. But as things come down into this, and you're looking at like just very low volatility, you're looking at very small percentage moves, I think that it is perps that are driving things mainly. And we've seen that recently, right? I think we're getting this continuous just selling on spot. Like the green line here is spot CVD, and it's just dumping. Like, spot is just being sold consistently all the time. And I don't know whether that is large positions selling because they're expecting lower, or whether it's just we're coming into Christmas, people need money, they're at a loss, they're underwater, they're sick of crypto, they're fed up, they want to get rid of everything, they want to go back into cash because things are difficult. Is it that kind of effect that we're seeing on the market at the moment, but with price managing to hold? I don't know. And then on the flip side, you do have perps that are looking a little bit more bullish. There's marginally more buying pressure here on perps at the moment. But right now, there's not too much to be said about it. Like, this selling from spot has been going on since, like look at it. It's just consistent since forever. So I don't know what too much to say about the relationship between the two right now. There are definitely times where it becomes interesting. Like, back last year, I think it was very important to understand what spot was doing, because we were looking at like big moves and a lot of participants in the market, and the bigger traders were very much active. Whereas now I don't think the bigger traders are active. Yeah, Christopher as well, like miners selling. So you're going to be getting miners that are selling consistently at the moment, because you can't really trust what price is doing. So it's just, as you start to get stuff, as they start to whatever. I don't know. The relationship at the moment is not that. I find it hard to see anything that's really of value here, because we're just seeing a lot of selling at spot, and I don't think that's having a particularly big impact on price overall right now. It's annoying, isn't it, that Discord released their new... So Discord Exocharts have just released their new update, by the way, but I didn't have a chance to download it before the stream started. Hamza, we bounced from the value area low of the whole range 16th of December. Yeah, that is where we are. I mean, we've done... Oh, the 16th of December value area low, this one. Let's have a look. It depends what you're looking at, I guess. I'm not really seeing that. Yeah, no, it's all a little bit. We're at the value area high now. Yeah. Jack, do you use heat maps like trading light, high block in your trading? Sometimes, not so much at the moment. I do use trading light, but I'm not checking it that often, really. I was pulling the fixed range from the 16th. I was pulling it from the 16th. I'm not getting the value area low there, but you maybe. New XO update changed half my templates. Yikes. Yeah, I don't know if I want to update if I want to update it. Sometimes it's when it's a major update, sometimes you've got to wait because there'll be so many bugs. There'll be so many bugs. Because I think this one's quite a major update as well. Okay. Why are you using the BTC USDT chart nowadays? So the reason I use the BTC USDT chart TDT chart nowadays is it's getting about 4 or 5 times the volume of the inverse. So if you look at the amount of volume that you get each day, and we can look at that here, can't we? I'm going to do a detailed answer for you. I've explained this before, but I'm going to do a detailed answer. So let me just bring up the statistics. And we're going to see right now if this is still valid. Volume. Just switch this to synthetic volume. Rebuild chart. So yeah, you get a lot more volume on the USDT pair, and I don't want to trade Bitcoin like inverse Bitcoin at the moment. I want to be trading dollars. I do not want to be holding Bitcoin so much in a bear market. If I'm holding dollars, happy days. I'm still expecting the dollar. I'm expecting the DXY to push higher. I am still looking for lower prices. Not much lower, but I don't really see a need to be holding assets right now. There was an opportunity for that, but since I mean, this has been like it has been the whole year. I don't trade the inverse anymore because I don't really need to be holding a stack and building a stack of Bitcoin. I would rather build dollars and then put those dollars into stuff. It's a bit of a change for me. I used to like just stacking Bitcoin, but I'd rather just make money now. It's just a change of focus. I'd rather just make money. Anyway, let's have a look at this. So we're looking at the last 3 days. Remember this. So $2.4 billion, $1.12 billion, $1.3 billion. So 2.4, 1.1, 1.3. Then if we switch this over, let me load up another chart here. Let's do it on this one, and let's go. That's because this is the same template. These are old templates of mine. They're the only ones that I can get. And we'll do a comparison. Woo. Yeah. All right. Here we go. So USDT pair, $2.4 billion traded on the 20th. On the 20th, $420 million. So that's about 6 times more, maybe, almost, the volume there. Then you're looking at 200 million against 1.12 billion. So again, 5 or 6 times the volume. And then again here, $246 million traded against $1.31 billion traded. So there is so much more volume on USDT. It's not even, yeah. So if you want to actually get accurate order flow, for me personally, I've got to go for the one that has the more volume, because you're going to get a lot more accuracy off of that. Now, there's different ways that you can look at this. There are ways that you can use these lower volume things, because actually the inverse perpetual is quite nice. So when you're looking at the inverse, you've got a lot less traders going on there. And the traders that are there tend to be, I think, a little bit more market maker in nature. So you're not looking at, like, I'd say 80-90% of the USDT pair that's being traded is dumb money, whereas if you're looking on the USD pair, then maybe like 50% of it's dumb money, and then you've got a lot of market making going on in the same way. So it's different ways in which to look at it, but at the moment, for myself, significantly more volume on the USDT pair, and it's more like, it was working at like 3-4 times the volume on a daily basis, but now we're looking at 5 or 6 times the volume on a daily basis. So the inverse, just nothing's going on. No one's trading it. So that is that. I'm gonna have a beer now. I have a BrewDog advent calendar. Other brands are available, but I've opened my advent calendar today, so I have a nice, like, this one's called Hop Fiction. It's good. Amsterdam, welcome. Just tuning in. Nice shirt, Luke. Thank you, Mr. Fry up in front of. Oh my god. That just pissed up everywhere. I've only had one drink. I don't even want to have any drinks today. I feel I'm so out of touch with the charts, and hold on. Let me mop up this mess. I am covered in beer. I'm covered in beer. Ah. But yeah, I'm so out of touch with the charts. It's been a stressful week trying to actually get things sorted and trying to get back into trading. So I thought I would have one, just so I have something to talk about, because otherwise I don't know what to talk about, so I'd rather just talk nonsense. Yeah. Cheers, everyone. I've lost half of it. Tristan Matthews, have you ever used Atas? Yes, I have, but I don't use it anymore. I have used Atas, but I like Exo. It's buggy. It's buggy and it's annoying sometimes, but I do like Exo. I think it's the best tool available. And nothing's perfect, is it? Whew. Okay. Shall we get some guests onto the stream? I think it is about time I stop talking about stuff and we do some other stuff. So we're going to get P on, we're going to do some giveaways. So crew, we're going to do the ExoCharts giveaways now. So now that ExoCharts have just released a brand new thingy-majiggy. We'll bring P on. I'll see if any of the rest of the team are available. But let's do this. Oh, this is so weird. This is for crew only, by the way. So this is our 3 months of free ExoCharts membership. Spin the wheel time for our crew members. Liquid, if I was working for Exo, I wouldn't talk so much shit about them all the time. We work with Exo. I don't know if I can hear P or anything. Again, I've got P. Are you there? Can you hear me?
Hello there.
Hello, hello, hello.
Sorry if I don't sound like great, but I'm using just the headphones, so apologize for that.
That's cool. You're coming out of my laptop speakers, so it's not going to sound good for me anyway.
It's crap anyway, right?
Yeah, exactly. All right.
Yeah, we are all in portable setups, like already in Christmas mode, I guess.
Yeah.
Taking trades. Yeah.
I think that's it. Like, yeah, trading's basically done. We're all in Christmas with French Bull's here as well. Welcome, French Bull.
Hello, French Bull.
Hello. Let me try and turn the volume up for you guys because I can't really hear you very well. Can everyone else? Oh, you'll be really quiet because the music was there. Speak again.
Hello. I'm not sure I can.
I can hear you good.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure this is working here.
We're great. All right. How's French Bull doing? How are you doing? Have you been trading today, or are you in Christmas mode?
Oh, okay. I cannot hear anything here.
Oh.
That's my side.
No worries.
I've been driving the whole day, so I didn't take any trades.
No.
And I guess I won't till maybe next week or so.
Yeah.
I mean, actually, nothing's going on. I mean, honestly, this week was really, really slow.
Yeah, I mean, I've picked the right time to be not being able to trade, I think, because like when I was moving, it's so weird, isn't it? Like that week that I was actually moving in to the new place, Bitcoin was just in that range. As soon as I actually got an internet connection, we pumped. Then I was able to short it. And then I'm just holding that. And again, I've lost internet connection again. And now I'm just holding that short. And today, just got home. I was like, oh, cool. This is actually going to plan. I'm going to take that a little long. And now we've pumped. But I don't really... I'm massively out of touch, like, with the market at the moment. I'm struggling to... I mean, it doesn't matter because I don't feel like I need to trade right now. But I'm just not in a flow. So I'm just taking the ones that are clear and obvious to me. And... the ones that are clear and obvious have been working quite well, so that's decent.
Which is fine.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
There's no need to
we can't always have the flow. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
I think I got it right now because I just took the last 4 or 5 swings where the peak out top and bottom, so we are pretty fine for me right now.
Nice. French Bull's catching every major swing.
Yeah, we'll see if we can bring that to 17,400 now.
Mm-hmm.
That's my target. We'll see.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I'm looking like 17.6 would be nice. That's what I really want to see. If we're gonna get a move up, like
actually,
17.4 looks good as well. But like, if we can take out
up to 17.8,
yeah, I think we did that setup on Tuesday, right? During London trading room.
Yeah, I mean the London trading room trades have played out, so this is what we drew, wasn't it? Okay, I'll have to look back on Discord.
I can't have a video. Oh yeah, I can have.
So we wanted that move.
Yeah, I mean in the chat they're complaining about my sound. I mean, apologize guys, I don't have my professional microphone here. I guess this is the old P, the angry P, right?
A way to turn you down. Can you turn down slightly, P? I can turn you down this here, but it will turn French Bull down as well. You're just on. Are you on like earpods?
Yeah, I mean, obviously they're not AirPods, right? Like, obviously.
I hear you pretty fine in Zoom, B.
Yeah. Okay, I've turned P and French ball down a little bit because I can do that from this end, but yeah.
Or I can speak a little bit
Speak softly, P. Whisper.
softly and smooth.
Whisper to the viewers with your soft dulcet tones. My name is P. I am from Argentina. I live.
I'm a champion, right?
You are.
Yeah, congrats, by the way.
I am world
No,
champion.
thank you.
you
I was
earned it.
waiting for that, you know. I was
You
waiting
earned
for that.
it.
French
Oh.
didn't make any comment in our last few days.
Yeah, you
Well,
know, I was
so-
kind of pissed, but you earned it.
I mean, French Ball shouldn't still even be here. Like, I told French Ball that he was going to get fired if France beat England. So... Why
yeah,
are you
but
here?
who will have made a New York session yesterday?
Why are you here, French Ball? If I wasn't so busy moving house, I'd have been like, kick you out. No, so we've got me, the loser, who got knocked out in the quarterfinals, and now we have the two finalists in the chat. So we should do a fight to the death between P and French Ball.
Yeah, well, the match is over, so
Yeah, exactly.
it's done.
Yeah. I
Job
really
done.
wanted to. I'm so annoyed that it wasn't an Argentina-England final because we could have live streamed that together, P. That would have been fun.
I mean, I told you, I think I lost between 5 to 7 years, last Sunday. I mean, the stress was massive.
Yeah. It was
It was horrible. It was so horrible, that match for me. I mean, obviously, for people who are completely neutral, probably was the best match ever.
It was so good. Yeah.
But for me, it was like, endless.
For me, it was fine.
Yeah.
The 80s, the first 80 minutes was I'm full for me.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
It was
Yeah.
a bit more entertaining.
Wasn't fun, huh?
Yeah. All right. Jay Moab, welcome. Who else has just joined us? We've got a few more people watching. How many people are actually watching this? How many likes do we have? This is the important thing. Not that many viewers, which isn't surprising. Everyone's on its Christmas holidays. But
But us.
large box been delivered. I've had a delivery of a large box. Very nice. Sorry, I'm distracted. Jerome, have I taken the short here? No, I have not. The only trade I've taken today was the long, just before we started the stream. I didn't really know why I took it. In all honesty, it just was like, I'm going to long this. Well, I do know why I took it. It was coming into the golden pocket. It was coming back down to the lows of the range, and this was the plan that we had originally. So I took a long because I knew that the stream was starting, and I wanted to get into a long before. I kind of got lucky. I was expecting it to go lower, but I was like, I'm going to do this because I won't be able to take a long during the stream. So I'm in a long. I managed to catch it quite nicely, but yeah. We've only got 46 likes, so that's poor. That's poor.
Yeah, I mean,
what we're gonna do,
I don't even want to do any giveaway with that. Like, come on, guys.
Yeah, I mean, there's only like 70 people viewing, so it is quite a quiet stream. So we're not going to do too much more. But just in case there is anyone new, this is toroscrypto.com. So this is our website. So do go visit toroscrypto.com if you would like to find out more about our community. We do have the Toros crew. So the crew membership is our like our educational server, our educational community. That's what I'm trying to talk about. So our educational community, we do live trading rooms on a daily basis. We've got loads of educational content. We have like courses from harmonics, Elliott wave from French Bull. We have playbook strategies, things that you can trade every day, and so on, and a really nice community. So do go check that out if you would like to. But anyway, shall we do some giveaways? And then we can try a quiz, and then we can probably, then we'll just go to whatever we feel like doing.
Okay, I think I will do like one extra charts. What do you think? 3 months of extra charts trial, guys.
It's not a trial; it's a full membership. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's a trial if you're not, using it right now.
Yeah.
If you are paying extra charts, it will add to your remaining days. So
yes.
It's great.
Yeah, so we'll give this away. So this is for anyone who is part of the crew. So again, if you are, so what I just spoke about the crew, we do these exocharts giveaways and other giveaways within the crew fairly often. And because we use exocharts very often within our trading, again, anyone that's new here, this here is exocharts. This is what we use for.
And if you're not, you can. I mean, you have a few minutes. I will add you to the list.
Yeah. So yeah, if anyone wants to quickly get themselves into this prize draw, then you have what, 30 seconds to buy yourself a crew membership. Otherwise, you're going to start spinning the wheel.
With the new update, right? Like you're gonna get full access to exocharts with this brand new update.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever it is new, I don't know. I have no idea.
Yeah. So Magi C and Yoga with Macro. So yeah, to enter the giveaway, it is automatic for anyone who is a crew member. That's who you do the giveaway. But we are going to do. I'm going to do a. I wanted to see how many people we had on here and see how the stream was going, and to see if the quiz bot is working. But I'll give away what, $100 USDT for public. How's that? Like, we've not got that many likes, but I'll do $100 giveaway for public, plus a month of crew membership.
Sounds fair.
We'll do two. So we'll do first.
Great.
No, what we'll do. I got it. This is what we're going to do afterwards. If the quiz bot is working, I'm going to give away.
Good luck with that, because lately.
Yeah, so if the quiz bot is working, I'm going to we'll do a quiz. The winner of the quiz, if you are in the crew, you'll get $100 USDT. If you are not in the crew, you will get a month of crew membership. And then we may do a second and third place prize. And this, all you need to do is just be on the Discord. We're going to do this in the public Discord. So, do you want to? I'll post the link for the public Discord here. Here it is. So just join the public Discord and we'll do this in the Discord in a bit. And I'll bring it up on the stream so everyone can see. Kind of pin that. There he is. We'll figure out the prizes. But yeah, 100. We'll give away some USDT and we'll give away some crew trial memberships. But we'll figure out what that is.
To run a crew membership as well.
What's that?
Can I play to run a crew membership as well?
Yeah.
You can fire me.
yeah. Please. French was officially fired because France beat England. But yeah, you can get yourself a nice free crew membership.
I guess I got the renewal right on my contract, so I will stay for a year more.
Yeah. Saga Singh says $100 for public too. It's Christmas. Oh. Ooh. All right, let's do the EXO ones first, and we'll do the quiz straight afterwards. And by the time we do the quiz, I will know. Here we go. We will for public, I'll give away however many likes that the stream has right now. So how many likes is on the stream right now? You've got a little bit of time. I'm not going to say, oh, I can't. Where is 57 likes? Okay, so I'm going to give away $100 if you are a crew member, or $57 if you are not a crew member. Let's call it 58.
Okay.
Let's call it 58 because there's 58 now. And now that means that none of the bot, you can't have a bot that comes and.
I mean, if you pump it to 2K, then it will be 2K.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll get to that in a minute. We'll get to it in a minute. P, do you want to just set up the wheel and we'll do the spin the wheel and then we'll get to the quiz?
Sure.
The quiz.
Let me share my screen. I think I cannot yet.
Saga Singh, I know it's 61 now, but I don't care that it's 61 now because I said how many were at the time. So, unfortunately, this is why, like, if you're public, if you're in public chat, then you've got to do the work and you've got to like and subscribe to all of the videos and all of the streams and everything, because maybe we should do that in future. However many likes we get is how many dollars we give away on a live stream. And here we are. So this is the magic spin the wheel for the crew. So
can you see it?
Up on the stream. I can see it.
Okay.
Here. Let me just do this again. I'm working off of one screen right now.
Yeah, me too. So I have no idea what's going
on. So let me find OBS. Let me bring up Zoom. Oh wow, that looks crazy. Okay, what?
Remember a year and something ago, it was just a couple of guys over there. It was so easy to win the prizes.
Yeah. Hold on, this is not working. So that Zoom doesn't work. All right, let me go display capture, and then let me grab this display. And let's bring this up here. Okay, now that's working. Hold on.
You need to zoom out.
Whoa. This is crazy. Almost there. All right, we see it. We're all good. We can do it. So, French Bull, do you want to do the countdown?
Yeah.
All right.
Just
Pete,
come from.
Yeah. In French, please.
Okay. Countdown in French.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Spin the wheel.
Tourne la roue.
Who's it gonna be? KYETT.
Congratulations, mate.
Congratulations, KYETT. You have won 3 months of Exo Charts membership. Well done. Yeah, we'll do one more, shall we?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Why not?
We'll do one more, and then we'll do the quiz. P. Now, no, actually, what is it in Spanish? Countdown.
I can do it in Spanish if you want.
Yeah, go on, do it in Spanish.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, vamos.
Vamos. Braveheart. Braveheart,
Nice one.
congratulations, Braveheart. You have won 3 months of crew membership. Are we doing it as if it's a no watchy, no winny thing again? Or are we just going to give it to him?
Nah, not really. Come on, it's
We'll
Christmas.
just give it to him. Yeah, it's Christmas. It's Christmas. Yeah, they don't have to be watching.
I have no idea what is this. I think it's, I don't know what language is, but okay. I guess no one is saying it. Well, yeah, me neither. But okay. Okay, that's it, I guess.
That is it.
From the wheel.
That is it from the wheel. All right, what we are going to do, we are going to now attempt a quiz. So now we are going to attempt a quiz.
Oh dear.
Sorry, I got COVID again. Merry Christmas. COVID.
No.
Right, let me pull this up. And then we want to quiz. What? I did make the quiz piece, so do you need to just put... Yeah, so I've got the number. Let me just do this as a test. Well, let's just see if it works. Everyone, react if you are ready for quiz. We don't know if this is going to work, okay? We don't know. But let's see. If we can get a minimum of 20 reactions on the quiz. Is the quiz public? Have I made the quiz a public channel?
Let me check it out, I guess.
Oh.
Yes, it seems to.
No one's reacted yet. Can you not react?
Yeah, because they cannot see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now they should.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Oof.
Oh, damn. I deleted the wrong post. Anyway, react to that one.
Yeah, there was reaction.
Yes, cool. All right, we're all here. I can bring that up on there. Let me just make the screen a bit smaller again. Okay. We can do that. We can do that. All right, we've got quite a lot of people that are there. You do have permissions for it now. So now, yeah, that's cool. Everyone can see it. And it's not just crew people, is it? No, that's not just crew people. That's fine. How does it work? We don't know. Well, so what it's going to be, the quiz bot will run. It will just ask some questions. You'll have 20 seconds to answer the question. It will be a multiple choice. So look, you can go back up to see the previous ones where we had this, and you basically like here we did a one for the 1 year anniversary. So it said what was the open price of Bitcoin on the day Toros launched, and then you just go for A. And you click on that and you get points. So you have to be quick, but you also have to get the right answer. So whoever, it'll give you a leaderboard. There's between like up to 1,000 points per thing. So the faster you answer it, if you get the correct question, if you get the correct answer, the fastest person will receive the most points, and then it will go down on a scale for everything else. Everyone else below that. So you do need to be fairly quick with it. I think how I start this, so you go play quiz, and then you put the number, right, P?
I think so.
So we're going to try this if everyone is ready. And I'm going to see if this works. Yeah, so many in the quiz and only 66 likes. How many people have reacted to the quiz? I can't even see anymore. It's not letting me. I can't see anything.
I mean, a few, yeah.
All right. Let me do that. So what we're going to do for the quiz, we're going to do first place will win. If you're in the crew, we'll do some exo charts for a winner. Another, like, if you're public or whatever, you can choose a prize. We'll figure it out. We'll give away some prizes.
Yeah, the first one choose and then you.
Yeah, so
and for Toro stuff, if Frenchwood or I win, you know, we get the Christmas bonus. So
yeah, so this is that. Yeah, so the winner can choose. The winner can choose either $100 USDT, 3 months of ExoCharts membership, or 1 month of crew membership. Second place can choose. What was it? 68 USDT.
No, 58.
58 USDT, 1 month of free membership. And third place prize, we will offer 1 month of crew membership.
2 weeks of crew membership.
Yeah, okay, 2 weeks of crew membership. That'll do. That sounds good. We'll do that. Yeah, that works. If the quiz works. So we're going to try it. Are you ready, guys? We're all ready. So we're going to go. This will already have started by the time because of the lag on the stream. So there is a lag on the stream, but hopefully it's not too bad. We're going to start the quiz in. I'm going to do 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to give a 10-second pause, and then I'm going to start it in the chat because then it allows for the lag. So 3, 2, 1. Make sure you're looking at the quiz. Yes, it's got the right one. Quiz will start in 5 seconds.
Okay, looks like it's working.
Okay, which crypto was not in the top 10 market cap at Christmas last year? Was it Cardano, Doge, Terra, or XRP? You've got to answer. You've got to go for this. So, I can't actually see. Oh, this is updated, so you can't see other people's answers now. So,
yeah.
Oh,
I can't even see mine, so. Yeah.
So the correct answer was Doge. So Doge was 12th in the.
I thought it was glitchy. Yeah. Okay. Now it's nice.
So Doge was 12th. Today it is 8th. Randall Prince.
Where is Randall? Randall is playing.
Join the Zoom,
yeah.
Randall. Come on. Get on the Zoom. We have Shane in second and Kov. Okay. Second question. What price did Luke short Luna to 0 from? Was it $98.5? Was it $110? Was it $118.5? Or was it $120?
Why you keep putting salt on that wound, you know?
It was $118.5.
Nah.
I mean, this is also like
0.
Yes. Oh, look at that. Randall Prince did not answer that correctly. MRH has taken the lead and Chris is in second place. We got... Oh, third question. How much has BTC fallen since Christmas last year? Has it fallen 50%, 69%, 77%, or 99%? Imagine.
I don't remember. But a lot.
Since Christmas Day last year, how much has fallen? It was 69%. It has gone down.
Yay! I got it right.
Yes. G-Rob. G-Rob has gone into the lead. P is in second place. P, what you can do if P wins or someone from the crew or someone from the staff wins, you can nominate a winner. Question 4. Which country started the tradition of putting up a Christmas tree? Was it Austria, Belgium, France, or Germany? A nice Christmas question.
Oh, there's only the 10 quickest people that have points.
Right. It was Germany, of course. Germany make most of the Christmas traditions. Well, some of them. G-Rob is still in the lead. Dion is second and Coleslaw is third. On Christmas Day 2021, how many assets had over $1 billion market cap? Was it 37? Was it 66? Was it 94? Or was it 125?
Do you mean crypto assets?
Crypto assets, yeah. On CoinMarketCap, how many were over 1 billion market cap? $1 billion market cap. It was 94, and today there are only 37. So there were 94 with over $1 billion market cap last year. Today there are only 37. Oh, right. that's mixed things up a bit. Look at that. So CJDH has gone into the lead. Nice. All right, question number 6. How many days until the next Bitcoin halving? Is it 360, 480, 660, or 850?
That's a good one.
Yeah.
I have no idea of all those stuff.
It is 480
okay, I got it right.
days.
I got it right.
In 480 days,
luck.
we have the next Bitcoin halving. So get ready for the next bull run. 480 days until the next halving.
You have that much time to start at Bitcoin.
Yeah. CJDH is still in the lead, but G-Rob is close and Slaw is close and Bear is coming up as well. Wow. Okay, mistletoe literally translates from Anglo-Saxon as to what on a stick? Is it dung on a stick? Is it honey on a stick? Is it snow on a stick? Or is it sugar on a stick? Mistletoe, what is it?
I don't even know.
It is dung on a stick. Imagine that. Mistletoe, you kiss under the mistletoe and you're kissing poo on a stick. Dung on a stick is mistletoe. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Peak has taken the lead. He was probably the only one that got it right. Peak was in 5th place and has now taken the lead. What did most people put? Probably snow. Donald Trump makes a cameo appearance in which Christmas film? Was it Home Alone 2? Was it The Terminator? Was it Rocky? Or was it Dumb and Dumber?
Come on. If you don't know this, it's because you are too young, actually.
This is a weird drink. Look at this.
It's well, I didn't know Trump. Well, I watched that
beer.
movie.
Well, it was Home Alone 2. It was Home Alone 2. Although he is dumb and he is dumber. The leaderboard stays the same. But Randall comes into 10th place, comes back onto the leaderboard, taking Moon River's place. How many messages has P sent in the Discord server?
Oh, no.
1,250, 1,480, 1,620, or 1,740?
I will have to say much more, but...
I actually think I got this wrong. I think there was supposed to be an extra 0.
Oh, yeah.
There's supposed to be an extra 0. So it's actually 16,200. There was supposed to be an extra 0 off of that. Sorry. I got that wrong. This is the last question. This is question number 10 coming up now. Oh, you got some change going on now again.
And actually, I answered wrong. My own question.
Here we go. This is a nice, easy one. What do the Japanese like to eat for Christmas dinner? Is it KFC, McDonald's, Taco Bell, or Burger King? That's supposed to be.
Didn't know that.
This is going to be easy. So I think we've probably got our leaderboard. I think this is probably our top 3 are going to stay the same unless there's a big difference in the time.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So who is the winner? Is it? There it is. All right. Final leaderboard. CJDH is the winner. So you kept the lead. Slaw is in 2nd place and G-Rob is in 3rd. Amsterdam just misses out, but actually it's by quite a margin. So our 3 winners.
P, you won me again.
Yeah. I got the top 10 and I beat the whole team, the whole Toros team. So, yes.
Nice. All right, there we go. So we have our 3 winners. For those winners, if you are in the crew, so it's going to be, CJDH, your choice of 1 month of crew membership. Again, if you're in crew, you can extend your membership by a month, and you just get the time added on. $100 or 3 months of ExoCharts membership. For Slaw, it was going to be $58 or 1 month of crew membership. And for G-Rob, it was going to be G-Rob, I think will be, yeah,
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. Cool. That will be. So if you are already in the crew, which I know.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. Then we'll extend that your next the membership by 2 weeks. Anyway. Cool. Congratulations to the winners. That was good fun. And who came last? Dragon came last, and then we have a few people that didn't even participate. Very sad. But Dragon.
I mean, I'm happy the bot worked. You know, like...
yeah, the bot actually worked, which is really good. So that is good. Anyway, that is it, I think. So we will. We'll contact you on Discord as the winners, and again, for those of you who want exo charts, we will do the same. Do you want to do anything else before we wrap things up, or shall we?
I mean, from my end, just to say thank you guys for the support whole year. Have fun in this New Year's, Christmas, and take a break. Sometimes you really need it, you know. Yeah,
I think that's it. Like, good holiday for everyone, and thank you. Yeah, thank you to everyone. First of all, thank you to P and to French Ball and to the rest of the team. Because especially over the past couple of weeks, because I've not been around as much as I should have been. It's been a bit of a nightmare, and they are the ones they are the glue that holds everything together. I'm just the guy that chats shit on a live stream every now and again. So yeah, thank you to you guys so much. Thank you to the crew, and to anyone who is in the crew, to anyone that has been in the crew. If you have been in the crew and you're not in the crew now, then what are you doing? Come back and join us again. But thank you to everyone that has supported us over the past year and everything again. 2023 is going to be a really big year. If any of you have been following recent events, there's some quite exciting stuff coming up for next year. We will be leveling up as a community quite significantly. So I am excited about that. But have a great holiday, everyone. Have a great Christmas. Have a great New Year. We're going to be around in the chat as always, so we will be around. But for now, that is the end of our scheduled stuff. Oh, we do actually know we're doing the trading room this evening. Randall's doing the trading room this evening, right?
Tonight, yeah.
So we do have one final treat for those of you in the crew. We do have one final trading room before we split up for Christmas. Randall will be doing his trading room this evening.
And I might be doing a live stream tomorrow. Yeah.
And French Ball might live stream tomorrow, but for myself, I am now signed off until the 3rd of January. We'll be back. We'll return on the 3rd of January for the London trading room then. I'll still be around. I might do a live stream or something that week in between Christmas and New Year. It's normally pretty quiet and boring anyway, so I have nothing better to do, so I may as well chat to you degens who are still around in the chat. But yeah, I think that's it. P's baby's making an appearance.
No, that was Randall. Welcome.
Oh, Randall's joined us right at the end.
Oh.
I didn't even see that you guys did a share, and I was still at Home Depot, so I'm on my way back. But I did partake in the quiz. That was good stuff.
You did. You did. You were doing okay at one point.
As soon as you started to get into the percentage, it went all south. But we definitely knew, literally, the kids are going to watch Home Alone 2 later today. So as soon as we saw that question, we're like, oh, I don't even need to see the answers. I know that one.
Yeah. Nice. Well, yeah. Is there anything you want to say, Randall, as you joined here just as we were wrapping things up? Or...
No, I mean, everything I have to say will happen in 2 hours from now.
Yeah.
Which I think all our volume we used it up today, so we'll probably have a slow Asia like normal, but we'll do our best.
Cool. All right. Well, yeah.
Merry Christmas to you.
Yes.
Guys.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and
Merry Christmas, everybody.
And we'll see you all. We'll see you all in the new year, and of course. Yeah, like I say, we'll be around.
Definitely we will be
sure
on Discord for sure.
Yes. All right. Bye bye, everybody.
Yes, guys, bye.
I'm going to end the stream now.
Bye-bye.